Deuteronomy chapter 12 and verse 2. Ye shall utterly destroy all the places wherein the nations which ye shall possess serve their gods upon the high mountains and upon the hills and under every green tree. And ye shall overthrow their altars and break their pillars and burn their groves with fire. Ye shall hew down the graven images of their gods and destroy the names of them out of that place. Now notice, it talks about them being in the high mountains and in the hills. Okay, these false gods and their idols. And why is that so? Why do they need to be destroyed? Because they've established their name there. And the Lord God wants to establish His name in the promised land. Now I'm going to jump to another passage, and that is in Isaiah chapter 14. O thou art fallen from heaven, O Lucifer, son of the morning. Art thou cut off to the ground, which doth weaken the nations. For thou hast said in thine heart, For thou hast said in thine heart, I will ascend unto heaven. I will exalt my throne above the stars of God, and I will sit upon the mount of the congregation in the sides of the north. I will ascend above the heights of the clouds, and I will be like the Most High. Okay, so the devil wants to ascend and wants to be like the Most High. And that's why I read those passages, that it has to do with height. And we are here at the Perry Monument at Presque Isle. And so the program here that you're supposed to read while you're looking at the monument tells you that it's an 80-foot limestone monument to Oliver Hazard Perry built in 1926 at a cost of $45,000. That's your 9. And then, of course, that's your 8 into your 9. And this is what it looks like from the air. Okay, you can see, once again, it's an obelisk, 80 foot high, in a circle, 2 circles. So the male symbol, and then the female symbol. Combining the two, making demonic power. So here is the actual monument. And it goes 80 foot high. So the question would be, why couldn't they make it 8 foot high? Why couldn't they make it 4 foot high? The answer comes in the fact that scriptures I read to you, that all the monuments to the false deities were constructed in high places because it is a desire of the fallen one, Lucifer, to exalt himself on high. The 5 I wills of Isaiah chapter 14. I will I will ascend. I will be like the Most High. So that's why they build these things high up in the air. And this one is fairly mild in terms of height. But then you've got in Washington, D.C., what's known as the Washington Monument, which is just simply another obelisk, another phallic symbol to a false deity, Baal or Baal or Nimrod. Okay, all in the same line. So it's a matter of trying to exalt on high and be like the Most High. That's why these monuments are usually constructed high up above ground level. Again, that's the Perry Monument, supposedly commemorating the Battle of Lake Erie at Put-in Bay in the so-called War of 1812, which was just a hoax war. Limestone monument, 80 foot high. Thank you for watching.